We use fitness bands to track and improve our health. On the other hand, we use a stylish watch or smartwatch for style. But we cannot wear two devices at a time. If any device can fulfill your two types of need, isn't that good? Yes, a device can fulfill these needs, which is Imilab KW66. Imilab is one of the sub-brands of Xiaomi. We have in our hand the Imilab KW66, a smartwatch that belongs to the group of budget devices, offering satisfactory quality and some very interesting functions while providing incredible battery life. The KW66 everyday use. The KW66 smartwatch is sleek, no doubt about it. It can be worn by anyone for everyday use, and it's quite affordable compared to other similar products, so why not give it a try? I used this for a week as my daily driver. In this video, I will give an honest review and my opinion about it. Welcome to Easy Access Tech, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to us for more cool content. Let's see what's inside the package. The retail packaging of the device is quite simple. Just a white paper box with only the essentials inside. Inside the main package there are no surprises either, so you will only find the smartwatch and magnetic charging cable and a manual with instructions. Talking about the design of the smartwatch, I think it looks very similar to Samsung Galaxy Active smartwatch. The Xiaomi watch has the same round dial with 3D glass on the top. The body and the physical button on the right side are made of metal. The watch is compact. The diameter of the dial is 45 mm, while the thickness is only 12.7 mm. The strap is made of TPU, and it has a width of 22 mm. As you can see, it's detachable. You can add here any other strap with the same width. The back is made of plastic, but this is shiny. It's smooth and comfortable to touch. Here we can also see a heart rate sensor and two charging contacts. By the way, the screen has not only 3D glass, but also it's curved. Xiaomi Imilab KW66 is looking expensive and premium, but the price is only about $50. The diagonal of the display is 1.28 inches and resolution 24 by 240 pixels. This is a full color TFT display and it's also full touch. The brightness of the display is average. In the indoor and outdoor conditions, it's perfect. But in the direct sunlight, it's slightly harder to see something on the screen. The new Xiaomi watch is IP68 waterproof. You can wash the watch or even swim in the pool with it. Now let's look at the functions of the Xiaomi Imilab KW66. This is the default watch face of Imilab KW66. I like it. However, there is very little information, only time and date. This is very interesting that here are 6 other watch faces available. You can change them by the press and hold on the screen. By the way, in the app you can find many more watch faces, and there also you can customize the watch face. Later I will show it to you. Swipe down from the main screen to open the quick setting menu. Here we can see the date, battery level and phone. Screen brightness, do not disturb mode and setting menu. In the settings menu, you can turn the watch off, reset, read device information and scan QR code to download its app on a smartphone screen. By the way, the app is called GloryFit. You can also swipe up from the main screen to read the new notifications. There are the following functions. You can swipe left. Daily activities such as steps, distance, calories, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, sports modes and music control. Xiaomi Imilab KW66 also has a menu with all functions: training, heart rate, status, sleeping, stopwatch, message, and settings. Sadly, the new Xiaomi watch doesn't have built-in microphone and a speaker, so you cannot make or receive phone calls, but you can reject phone calls with it when you are busy. Xiaomi Imilab KW66 is a good fitness watch. The functions are quite standard for fitness watches in 2020, but I like that it has many watch faces, music control, and 12 sports mode. As I already said, the application on a smartphone is called GloryFit. You can download it on Android and iOS devices. First, you need to log in, but also you can skip it. Then click on the select device. The smartwatch will search for fitness watch. Choose KW66 and wait until the watch will be connected. On the main screen of the app, you can see your daily activity such as steps, distance, calories, heart rate recording, and sleep record. The next tab is Sports. You can choose the sport mode, for example running, and track your activity while playing sports. All the settings are in the device tab. The first one is dial settings. As I already said, the watch has 6 watch faces out of the box, but you can download more in the app. There are more than 40 watch faces available. You can also custom watch face with your image and font color. The next function is heart rate monitoring. You can turn it on and off. Also, I recommend you to turn on call reminder and app reminder. There is also a sedentary reminder, smart alarm clock, raise hand to activate display, and do not disturb mode. In Universal Settings menu, you can find the following functions: shade to take a picture, find bracelet, SMS reminder, on-screen time, time system, and device language. By the way, the watch supports many different languages, including English, Spanish, Russian, and others. The battery is another highlighted feature of the Xiaomi Imilab KW66 watch. It has a 340 mAh battery. The company claimed that you can use it for about 30 days on a single charge, but according to our testing, the battery gives power for 25 to 27 days with light usage, 15 to 16 days for medium usage, and 7 to 10 days for heavy use, as in my case. Charging is done with a special magnetic cable. Final verdict. It's a decent value for money device with very good pricing for the functions it offers. It's so compact to wear, waterproof, and provides an intense vibration for notifications. Also, it packs a battery touch responsive display and offers great battery life. However, I like the build quality of this watch and design. Imilab KW66 looks and feels more expensive. If you are looking for a real watch with big color screen but not a fitness tracker like Xiaomi Mi Band 5, then Imilab KW66 is a good option. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Easy Access Tech.